Hello, my name is Azamat Makulbay. In this video, I'll tell you about my project online banking. Here you can see the agenda for today's presentation. First of all, I'll give a description of this project. After this, I'll tell you about project dependencies. The third thing which I'm gonna tell you is user roles in the project. Then I'll tell you about UML diagram and using methods and classes. Then at the end, the project pages and the plans for the next week will be shown. So let's commence. What is online banking? There is some information about the project. The project simulates an online banking system. It allows to register, login, deposit, withdraw money from accounts, add, edit recipients, transfer money between accounts and the recipients, view transactions, make appointments. Here dependencies which I want to use. First, JSP for front-end views. JSP is to be utilized since it provides dynamic web pages. Then PostgreSQL database, along with it there are dependencies such as Spring Data GPA and the PostgreSQL driver. Spring Framework with Spring Boot. The main choice for the backend is Java with Spring Framework. Spring Boot will allow to write less code after configuration as well as creating RESTful API on it, saving a lot of time. Spring Web, how you will meet your customers' needs better than your competitors. Of all the needs you can address with your product, which ones will you focus on? In this project, I'm gonna create two user roles. There are two roles, user and admin. The user has credit, debit cards, and they can make a transaction, view statements, and their own banking history. What about admin? Admin can create a new account, and the admin has credit, debit cards, check all transactions, and delete, edit, or close accounts. This slide shows a UML diagram. I have several classes as account and customer, which I have shown as user before, savings and the bank classes. The user has a name, address, phone, email, and etc. And the user can do several operations like an add branch or get branch, add loan and get a loan, or remove a loan, and get information about the remaining money on our account, and so on. In this slide, you can see packages and the classes that I'm gonna create and use. There are security, repository, and the models and the controllers. My website has a registration page and dashboard and the deposit pages. Next slide. Here I wrote about the plans for the next weeks. In the 6th week, I'll code the base of the repository. In the 7th week, test API via Postman and connect with PostgreSQL. In 8th week, I'll implement requests by roles. In the 9th and the 10th week, I'm gonna work with the interface and complete the project and test it. So I'm done. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your attention.